Okay, so just remember two things while doing these types of questions when you have to make a similar triangle. Last time we have taken 2 is to 3. Okay, last time the ratio was 2 is to 3. Now we are taking ratio 7 is to 5. What is the difference? 2 is to 3 and 7 is to 5. So maximum value is here maximum is 3 and denominator is also 3. The maximum 3 means we will make 3 points B1, B2 and B3. Okay, 3 points. How many points we will divide? 3, 3 mark, 3 mark off. Okay, and here maximum is 7. So divide into 7 parts. Just you remember this, divide into 7 parts because maximum is 7. 7 parts means B1, B2, B3 up to B7. And denominator means B3. Join with B3. Join here with B3 because denominator is 3. So join with B3. And here denominator is 5. So join B3 to C. Join B5. Here it is 5. So join B5 to C. Denominator is 5. So B5. Join B5 to C. That only you have to remember. Okay. So, okay. Now we have to draw a triangle. Length 5, 6 and 7 centimeters. So we can take 7 centimeters. Maximum length should be taken as BC. So from 0 to 7 centimeters. This is BC. Okay. B and C 7 centimeters. Then 5 centimeter, 1 arc. Draw an arc at 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters, we can take this side or that side. That does 5 centimeters. We have to take 5 centimeters length, length 5 centimeters. Okay. So at 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Steps, you can write the steps also with whatever you are doing. You can write the steps also. So this I have taken 5 centimeters. Now take 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Okay. From C 6 centimeters, just like this arc. Okay, this is your given triangle. You can join B2, sorry, B2 A and A to C. This is your given triangle ABC. Correct? Now one ray, you have to draw one ray below this. Steps will be same. Steps will be same. Now you have to divide into how many parts? 7 parts. So you need a big ray to divide into 7 parts. 7 parts. I will try to make 7 parts because I cannot make smaller than this. One part, then don't change this. Put here 2 parts, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't think I can make 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Okay, so like this, you can make 7 parts. I will make it roughly. Huh? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 parts. This you can say B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, and B7. So why we are dividing into 7 parts? Because maximum value is 7. Okay. Then you have to join B5 because denominator is 5. Whatever denominator was 3, so B5, you will join B5. Remember, you will not join the last part. You have to join here B5. B5 join B5. Are you understanding? Just these two things, if you remember, you cannot draw a wrong. Here, the triangle will be outside this. So that's why we have to extend this line. Here we have to extend this line. Okay. And you need to draw now parallel line with B7 that will cut at D and another line parallel to this line. Okay. Then for that one, you need to draw this line also. You have to extend BA. This also be extended. So you need parallel line to this, parallel line to this. So as I told you, you have to make the parallel lines by using angle formula, but I am taking ruler to do it, parallel line. But you have to show, at least you have to show, if you are using ruler, but you have to show that you have taken the angle. So I'll tell you how to do this. This one, okay, now this is parallel. So I can keep it here. So I get parallel line from joining B to B to D, this point. Okay. But As I told you, you have to show that you have taken the angle. For that, actually you put here compass and make one arc and similar arc with the same radius here. Then you can measure from this point to this point how much angle is this. From here you have to cut this point and then you have to draw this line. Similarly here also you have to draw the parallel line to AC. This point you can say D point. This is D point. Okay. Now draw another line which is parallel to AC. Parallel to AC. Okay. We got this line. So D and this point will be E point. And here also you have to show from this point D you will draw one arc and with same radius you have to draw the another arc and from here first you have to measure this angle and from here you have to put this angle so that you can get the parallel line. So this is the BED is the required triangle whose ratio of the sides is 7:5. Means you will have the justification. You can say that the ratio of the side DE is bigger. So DE upon AC D B sorry D yeah DB upon BC and BE upon AB is equal to 7/5. Reason you can write AC is parallel, so AB upon AE will be equal to BC upon BD. Their ratio will be equal BC upon BD, so that's why it is justified. But you have to write the steps of constructions. All steps of construction should be written here. With so I think you understood that the 2 points only remember 2 points. Then this whole exercise you can do it. Steps of construction first. The same step that previous question was having the steps. I have written the same steps with this center. This only the length will be different. Otherwise, you can write the same step. Okay. Only this will change here. B, B1, B2, B3, B3, B4, B2, B3, B3, B4. It will go up to 7. And B instead of B3 here, you have done first B5. So B5 D will be parallel to B7 D and then draw D B7 D draw parallel to B5 C and D E parallel to CA. That is the only change here. So if you want, you can write the step number 1. We have drawn the draw side BC draw. In short, I will write draw BC. BC, how much was the length of BC? Is 7 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Then second, draw an arc with center C and radius. This is 5 centimeter. We have taken this 5 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. With B and radius with center B and radius 5 centimeters. Third, draw another arc. Draw another arc with center C and radius 6 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at intersecting previous arc at A. Then fourth step, join B A and C A. ABC is the required triangle. Triangle ABC is the given triangle. Okay. Then fifth step, draw a ray BX. Point take BX such that angle BX is acute, is an acute angle. Okay, sixth, mark of point on BX such that B1 is equal to B1, B2, all should be same distance, B1, B2, B2, B3 up to B6, B7. Seventh part, denominator, what is the denominator? Is 5. To join or draw B5C parallel to, first we will draw B5, B parallel to, no, join only, sorry, not draw. Second time we will draw, first we have to join. So join B5 to C. Then 8 point, now draw B7, draw B7 D parallel to B5, this line parallel to this line. Okay. Similarly, then join, then 8, 9th point I will write, where I should write, here I will write 9th point. After this, draw DE parallel to CA. 10 point EBD is the required triangle such that it is triangle EBD similar to triangle ABC. For justification, if asked, you can write justification and justification, you can write this ratio will be equal since why it is equal since AC is parallel to DE in triangle B. That just write like this for justification. Okay. So these are the two types of questions in this exercise. Whole exercise, you have only these two types of questions. Although last year, this is question number 3, okay, that we have done. So last year it was deleted. So you have to just see that ratio and two things you have to remember to draw any question from this exercise. I will show you other questions. Uh, See this, your textbook questions. The first question was different. Second we have done. Third we have done. This is one whole number 1/2. So you can convert into 3/2. 2 and the 2 plus 1 3/2. So this will be the third one construction, like third one. Only it is given that it is an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and the altitude is 4 centimeter. So its construction will be different. It is an isosceles triangle, base is 8 centimeter. What will you do first? You will draw 8 centimeter. Base is how much? 8 centimeters. So you will take base as 8 centimeters. Then so this ratio is what? 3/2. So this will be the same as this one construction, and base is 8 centimeters. So you have to draw base 8 centimeters. First BC 8 centimeters. Then altitude is 4 centimeter and it is an isosceles triangle. So you know that isosceles triangle, if it is having altitude 4 centimeter, that means bisector. You have to draw the bisector of this line. So from B, you will cut, you will take the half, more than half radius. Here you will cut this side, and like this, and then you will get a bisector. You can draw a big bisector which can divide it into two equal parts, perpendicular bisector. Then altitude is 4 centimeters. So you have to measure this from this D. Suppose this is D. This height should be 4 centimeters somewhere. So you can check if suppose here you are getting 4 centimeter or below, no problem. So this is how much altitude is 4 centimeters. So this will be not there, I think. Here it you will get here 4 centimeter. So if it is 4 centimeter, this will be your point A. Then you can join B to A and A to B. So only the construction part will be different. After that, same way you will draw one line, okay, and you have to now divide into how many parts? Three parts. Maximum number is three. So one, two, and three parts. This will be B1, B2 and B3. And the denominator is 2, so you will join 2. Here, you have to join with B2. First you will join B2, okay, and then extend this part and extend this part also, and then you have to join a parallel line to this, the space is less, and then parallel line to this like this. You will get, this will be the parallel line, okay. Suppose B3 is here, B2, B3, then you will join one parallel line to this line and another parallel line to this, and this will be your E point, and here it will be D point, BED. EBD is your required triangle. Okay, got it? Similarly, here only drawing part first, how to draw the first given with the given condition is this is different. Otherwise, now other constructions are same. Just you have to see how to draw this one, how to draw this with two angles and one side, two sides, one angle. Angle P is given, AB is given, BC is given. So you can easily draw this triangle. So that we have done in class 9th also. So like this, you can complete, draw a triangle with this one, draw a right angle triangle of length, then consider another triangle which side are same. Same. Here you have to draw right angle triangle whose two lengths 4 and 3 centimeters are given, not hypotenuse. We have given the 4 centimeter length and 3 centimeters. So we can take here 4 centimeters and here 3 centimeters because it is a right angle triangle, and then we can join. So any side, we can take any side for dividing. It is not necessary that bigger side should be taken as a base. You can take this also base. Now 5:3 means maximum value is 5. This I have taken. This is very easy, that to draw this triangle, just take 90° here. You can have 5, how much? 4 and 3 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters. You get the triangle. Then draw one ray. This you can give always BC so that you can easily understand B1, B2, B3. And then draw a ray from B2, and now divide this ray into how many parts? 5 parts. There are 5 parts here. So one maximum part is 5. 2, 3, 4, and this is 5 parts. Use compass B1. This is I am doing rough way. B1, B2, B3, B4, and this is B5. 5 parts. And what is the denominator? Denominator is B3. So you have to join B3. Have to join B3. Denominator is B3. So you will join B3. Okay. As the triangle you will get outside, so you can extend. You have to extend this part and this part. Now draw a line which is parallel to this line, B, and here which is parallel to this line. You get D and E. Okay, so EBD is the required triangle. So as I told you, this only here angle A and angle B is given. So you can make 100. You can use protector to draw 105°. 105°. So take AB, BC is given. A, BC is 7 and A angle and B angle is given. Okay, no problem. So A angle is given. So if we take here angle A will be 105°. So it is more than 90 degrees, so it will be like this 105 degrees suppose. So this will be 105 degree A. Then angle B is 45 degree. Here point B is here and this is 45 degrees. So you know that 45 is just like this 45 degrees. Okay. So these are the two rays. You have to draw these two rays. After that you have given BC. This side is how much? BC is 7 centimeters. So from B to C you will cut 7 centimeters. One point C, that is at a distance of 7 centimeter, and then join A to B. This will be your required triangle. Okay. Now you have given the ratio. We are doing this one. 4 is 2. The ratio is given as 4 by 3. So which is the maximum? 4. Maximum is 4. So we will divide into, the ray will be divided into 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. So 1, 2 equal parts. 3 and 4. This is X. So we can say this is B1, B2, B3 and B4. And the denominator is what? B3. So B3, you have to join B3. Which one you have to join? B3, because B3 is, denominator is 3. Okay. Here also you have to extend this side and extend this side also. Then draw a line parallel to this line, and from here parallel to this line should be exact parallel. I am doing the rough work. So this is your D point and this is your E point. This will be the your required triangle. So hope you understood every question, so you can try yourself and write the steps also. So that's all for today.